A leaked video of the DJI Pocket 4 has ignited massive discussion across social media, especially on X, where creators, tech analysts, and casual viewers alike are debating whether the footage is authentic or AI generated. But regardless of its origin, the excitement surrounding the Pocket 4 is very real and growing rapidly because this device is shaping up to be the most ambitious upgrade in the history of DJI's Pocket lineup, potentially redefining what a truly pocket-sized camera can achieve. From the moment the leak surfaced, attention immediately shifted to the design language, which appears noticeably slimmer and lighter than previous models while still housing far more advanced internal hardware. This alone signals a significant engineering leap, as DJI is clearly attempting to pack flagship-level imaging performance into an even more portable form factor. Central to this leap is the rumored dual-sensor system, headlined by a 1-inch 50-megapixel main sensor that promises cinematic-grade image quality previously unimaginable in such a small device. A sensor of this size and resolution opens the door to greater detail, improved dynamic range, and substantially better low-light performance, all of which are crucial for vloggers, travelers, journalists, and creators who shoot in unpredictable lighting conditions. Combined with DJI's well-established color science and onboard processing, the Pocket 4 is expected to deliver images that look rich, natural, and highly gradable straight out of the camera. Complementing this main sensor is a secondary 1.3-inch sensor, which is where things get especially interesting because leaks suggest this may be a square or near-square sensor designed specifically with vertical video in mind. As platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts continue to dominate content consumption, the ability to capture true high-resolution vertical video without cropping compromises becomes a massive advantage. Unlike the Pocket 3, which reduces vertical resolution due to its traditional aspect ratio sensor, a square sensor could allow creators to shoot full-quality vertical 4K content natively, making the Pocket 4 a dream tool for modern social media workflows. There has also been confusion surrounding what appeared to be a secondary display in some leaked images. But, according to the leaker, this is not an additional preview screen. Instead, it is speculated to function as an information display for camera settings, modes, or recording status, improving usability without increasing the complexity or size of the main rotating screen. Speaking of the screen, DJI appears to be retaining and refining the 2-inch OLED touchscreen introduced with the Pocket 3, offering excellent brightness, color accuracy, and intuitive control in both horizontal and vertical orientations. When comparing the Pocket 4 to its predecessors, the evolution becomes very clear. The Pocket 2, while still capable, relied on a small 1.7-inch sensor and a basic 3-axis mechanical gimbal, offering 4K at 60 frames per second and decent stabilization. The Pocket 3 represented a major leap by introducing a 1-inch sensor, a larger OLED rotating screen, 4K at 120 frames per second, and SmartTrack 6.0, making it a favorite among serious vloggers. However, the Pocket 4 appears ready to leap even further ahead with 8K video capability, vastly improved stabilization, and a radical new gimbal system. According to leaks, DJI has developed a 4-axis magnetic levitation gimbal for the Pocket 4, combined with an advanced AI prediction algorithm. This system would not only stabilize movement across 3 traditional axes, but also compensate for micro-vibrations and directional changes in ways previous mechanical systems simply cannot. The result could be footage that looks almost impossibly smooth, even while walking, running, or filming fast-moving subjects, making the Pocket 4 ideal for travel vlogs, action-oriented storytelling, and spontaneous everyday moments. Battery capacity is another major area of improvement that has been quietly confirmed through FCC filings, which show the Pocket 4 carrying a 1,545 mAh battery compared to the Pocket 3's 1,300 mAh unit. This increase may not sound dramatic on paper, but when combined with more efficient processors and optimized power management, it could translate to significantly longer recording times, especially important when shooting high-resolution 8K footage. The FCC listing identified under model ID OPO41 is particularly important because it confirms that the hardware design is finalized and undergoing final certification steps, strongly indicating that DJI is nearing official launch readiness. While pricing expectations place the Pocket 4 between $699 and $799, this positioning makes sense given the scale of upgrades being introduced. At this price point, the Pocket 4 would sit above action cameras like GoPro and Insta360 while offering something they fundamentally cannot match: a true mechanical gimbal paired with professional-level imaging. Even with strong competition, no other device combines this level of stabilization, image quality, and portability in a single package. The Pocket 3 remains an excellent value, especially after recent discounts. But the Pocket 4 appears to be aimed squarely at creators who want maximum quality without stepping up to mirrorless cameras or bulky rigs. The timing of the release, however, remains uncertain, while reports suggest a December launch window. Potential U.S. tariffs and an FCC ban on DJI products scheduled for late December 2025 could push the release into early 2026 depending on how regulatory factors unfold. Regardless of timing, the direction DJI is taking with the Pocket 4 reflects a broader shift in the content creation landscape, where compact, intelligent, and flexible tools are becoming more valuable than traditional large camera setups. Interestingly, this shift parallels what is happening in the drone world as well. While DJI has long dominated aerial imaging, a surprising new player has captured attention with a flying camera built entirely around 8K 360-degree capture. This new category emphasizes creative freedom over precise piloting, allowing users to simply fly while capturing everything around them and deciding on framing later. The emotional response to this approach has been overwhelmingly positive, with creators describing it as liberating and stress-free. DJI is clearly watching this trend closely. As confirmed leaks suggest, the company is preparing its own response with upcoming 360-capable FPV drones that blend speed, control, and immersive capture. This same philosophy of freedom and flexibility seems to be influencing the Pocket 4's design as well. By offering dual sensors, vertical-friendly formats, AI-assisted stabilization, and advanced onboard processing, DJI is empowering creators to focus less on technical limitations and more on storytelling. Of course, no device is without compromise. Shooting 8K footage and dual-sensor content will demand more storage, more processing power, and more discipline in post-production. High-resolution workflows require powerful computers, large memory cards, and a solid understanding of editing software. Yet for creators willing to invest in that workflow, the Pocket 4 promises rewards that far outweigh the effort. From a design perspective, DJI appears to be doubling down on refinement rather than reinvention, keeping the familiar pocket shape while optimizing weight distribution, thermal performance, and ergonomics. This balance ensures that long recording sessions remain comfortable and that heat generated from high resolution recording does not throttle performance prematurely. The inclusion of smarter onboard processing also suggests improved subject tracking, better face detection, and more reliable autofocus, all crucial for solo creators who need the camera to handle technical decisions automatically. Taken as a whole, the DJI Pocket 4 represents a clear statement of intent from DJI. This is not just an incremental update or a niche product. It is a bold attempt to create the most capable pocket camera ever made, one that bridges the gap between smartphones, action cameras, and traditional mirrorless systems. Whether the leaked footage is real or not almost becomes irrelevant when you consider how well the rumored specifications align with DJI's recent innovation trajectory. If even most of these features make it into the final product, the Pocket 4 will become a must-have tool for vloggers, travelers, journalists, educators, and everyday creators who demand top-tier quality without sacrificing portability. As regulatory hurdles, tariffs, and launch timing continue to evolve, anticipation will only continue to build. One thing is certain, though. The DJI Pocket 4 is not just another camera release. It is a signal that the future of content creation is smaller, smarter, and more powerful than ever. And DJI is determined to lead that future from the palm of your hand.